Yeah, boy. Ah! Hi Sneakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back again today with another girl group mix, and I am so excited because a red velvet's back with a brand new V and a brand new EP. I'm so excited. You know how much I love Red Velvet. I already know this is gonna slap. I already know there's gonna be B-sides that slap. If there isn't, I might jump off my roof, but I find it very, very hard to believe. So, in this video, I'm gonna be reacting to first Red Velvet's Surfing Boy. I will then be reacting to Nona's Honk. Then I'll be reacting to OURBIRTHDAY's Hungry side B. I did react to side A. What girl group mix was it in? It was one of my, was it the last girl group mix I did? I don't know, but check my other videos from last week and you'll find side A in one of those videos. And then last but not least, I'll be reacting to HYOLYN's ChecK MV. I'm going to be doing album first listen for Red Velvet. I already said that? Did I say that? That's going to be over on Patreon though. Ball Python tier. Super excited. Let's just go.
Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time.
Okay guys, let's go. We're starting with Red Velvet's Surfing Boy. Let's go. Already, the bass, doom, 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 doom. Oh, the little percussion and the is this gonna be like Brazilian? Is this gonna be Latin jazz? Is this gonna be bossa nova? Also, I love these visuals. It's giving me like the guitar. Who the is that a mermaid? Stop, because the visuals. I can't concentrate. Shut up. Brother, the guitar. Low registers, the brass of those horns, the layers. I'm sorry, can I just talk about the makeup as well? It's like they've got like highlighter on and it looks, it's shiny, it's looking like a pearl, it's looking like a seashell. Oh! Like her cheekbone looks like her necklace. Wow. Wow. I need to relax. I need to stop acting ridiculous. Come on. The chord sequence. Kill men! safe around them. How'd your dads? How'd your brothers? I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry. No, because the bye sounds so good, but also it's so hilarious that they're like bye and then they throw them off. But then also the chords. Oh. Bro, that oh, the drum. Whoa! Nah, that highlighter on that skin. Now visually, like with all the AI slop, when you see the art department. Vocals. The vocals, bro. What was that? Guys, it's taking. Oh no, I've got another 3 MVs to react out of it. Listen. They put fireworks. There was no need. I was about to crown that the best MV of this year thus far. And then they've added in this shitty little fireworks. Why? Why? Amazing, 10 out of 10. Will have on repeat. Love the Latin jazz vibes, love the melodies, love the MV. I've got to go straight on to the next MV because I spent so long fucking pausing and rewinding that, but I loved it, okay? I loved it. I loved everything about it. Loved the chords, the bass in the start, the breathy sort of vocals, the ad-libs towards the end in the final chorus, the makeup, the art department did that bang. Let's go, Nona.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted, buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up, yeah.
Hey.
In the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
It's fun. Not something I'd listen to though.
Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. But with that bass and I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on the license plate. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby,
That's the best part for me. Wow, stunning.
Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
That's so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious me. Okay, I think you know what I'm gonna say, guys. Everything that I've said for their previous releases, Rollerblade, and what do you call them? Guys, you know my brain just does not remember names of things. Anyway, their recent releases, okay, the new ones that sound a little bit different from the sound that they sort of debuted with, okay, not my cup of tea. Not songs that I'll put on and listen to, and that they aren't songs that I've listened to again after reacting to them. Just not my vibe compared to the earlier, more R&B style tracks which I have had on repeat since they debuted. Right, two very different sounds. I won't listen to these songs. However, I'm not mad at these songs. I think they're fun songs. I think they do need to build up their discography. So like when they perform, when they go on tour, because we're gonna have that at some point, they need to have a variety of songs. Do you know what I mean? Like, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be all R&B. It doesn't all have to be chill. Like, I'm okay with it. The songs are good. They're fun. I'm not head over heels for these sounds. I prefer the sound they debuted with, but I'm just not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It's fun. It's a bit of fun. Like, if you are a fan of theirs, like if you like how they sound, how they dance, how they look, how they behave as people, I think you can sort of get behind them doing something a bit fun. Like, I don't know, I don't think you've got to be mad at a change in sound. The other old songs that they released, they're still there, you can still listen to them. So yeah, I'm not mad. Not songs that I could say, but I'm not mad. It's cool. Let's go. Our birthday. So these are the 4 remaining members. Is the song exactly the same? I only listened to it once, so I don't know. I can't remember. I think it's the same. Hey! Yes, listen. This bit right here. So high. The MV is better. Is that it also had that shadow moment now. I love that. Love that. Wow, this is so good. Ad-libs. House chords. That diva house build up. Eat it up! I love that move.
Whipped cream, big cream.
Yeah, I love him. The song slaps, talented, got 7 members. I think it was there 3 in the previous one, 4 in that one. Song slaps, I'm excited for this group. Let's go, HYOLYN.
Hush, starting from afar, you must have a crush. Look all you want, but don't you dare touch. Seems like you're on a mission. I'm your victim, keep on wishing. Please, gonna take a lot of work to please me. Chillin' the reason, not that easy. No need to
Hey!
pen, boy,
There goes the booty popping.
I got options. See your eyes, see your eyes. Blue jeans, skin tight. I know you love to slide. Yeah. Night, play the game and you could be mine. So if you wanna find me, I've been sitting pretty with my
Mine.
girls, check. Oh, my hair to my nails, check.
Hey! This is very Y2K R&B.
I've been sitting pretty with my girls, check. Oh, search it up for you, well, check. If you can
Something about it reminded me of Christina Aguilera and Lil' Kim. I don't understand why it's okay, can't hold us down. Nobody can hold us down. Doesn't sound like it in any way in particular, but it's like that era, that vibe.
Whoa, I've been sitting pretty with my girls. Girls, what you wanna do? If you're dirty on D, give him attitude. Make him hot till him attitude. Gotta keep him begging on his knees for the edible. See your eyes, see your eyes. Blue jeans, skin tight. I know you love to slide over here.
Oh, that's that.
Night, play the game and you could be mine.
Oh, stop that melody.
I've been sitting pretty
I don't know who she's Mike.
Oh, my hair to my nails.
They got the Von Dutch and everything.
Hotter than hell, check. Whoa, I've been sitting pretty with my girls, check. Oh, search it up for your well, check. If you kiss, you can't tell, check. Whoa, I've been sitting pretty with my girls, oh, baby. This is what I want. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. Boy, if you really wanna find me, I've been sitting pretty with my girls, check. Don't write checks that you're asking cash. Check. Don't write checks that you're asking. I've been sitting pretty with my girls, check. Oh, search it up for your well, check. If you kiss, you can't tell, check. Whoa, I've been sitting pretty with my girls.
Okay, HYOLYN. HYOLYN is such a hottie, truly. I don't know if I've forgiven her yet for the whole Israel person. But that's still just like in the back of my mind. But she's a hottie. Song slap. Like I said, it was very nostalgic. It was giving me the sort of throwback Y2K R&B sound. It reminded me of just like that. Yeah, I told you it reminded me of that Christina Aguilera and Lil' Kim song. Just, I don't know, this reminded me of that era. It's like that one melody which I'm not going to try and repeat now because I don't remember it and I will destroy it. And destroy not in a good way. Yeah, that's it. Song slaps. HYOLYN's HYOLYN. As always, coming through with a summer bop. Hot as hell. That's it. If you want to listen to the Red Velvet album with me, head on over to Patreon at BallPython today. Let me know which group you're here for. Let me know if you discovered anything new. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Go follow me Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Bye.